I'm being completely opportunistic right now because I am at the Central Hotel in Beaconsfield doing a story on something that's pretty rotten. These guys got robbed last night. People came in and just completely brazenly, arrogantly stole over $1,300 worth of alcohol off the shelves. But you'll hear about that on 7 News. What you won't hear about is turning trash into treasure, because this fabulous human who's been through some trauma, Pat, has gone and had a look in the back area, and he's going to tell us something in a second, but I just want to show you first what's happening over here. I said to him, do you have any boxes that we might be able to turn into planter boxes for schools and kindies? Because I've got this big theory that everyone's got stuff sitting around that is trash, which other people can turn into veggie gardening goodness. And the legend, after having already just lost a whole lot of stuff, is helping me out. So thank you. I want to help you out because you won a big award recently. You've got a really old business.
Yeah.
Tell me, again, the name of your business. How old is it? And what do you do so brilliantly?
Cool. So it's the Central Hotel in Beaconsfield. It was founded in 1855, so 170 years old.
And how good's your Parma?
Yeah, Parma's very good. We scored 100 out of 100 for our taste testing. That was through the AHA Victoria. We were a finalist for best overall Parma in the state.
That's going to be a pretty good incentive, I reckon, to any other business. If you want to come and have a free shout out, tell us what you're good at. The only thing is you got to go raid your storage and find me boxes like this. Even better if they fit together, because I'm not sure where I'm going to start putting them all. But have a look at your supplies. What have you got there that a school or a kindergarten might be able to make use of? And it might not be boxes. It might actually be craft supplies. It might be wooden spoons or brilliant labels, texters even if you don't need them, that can draw on those labels. All those sorts of things, yeah, we want them. We want to give them to schools for free because schools are wanting to do stuff and they're having a bit of trouble getting what they need when they need it. So let's share.